My name is Pastor Elijah Cossa from Mebremzo. This is my wife, Pastor Olivia Cossa. Mom, you are an exceptional leader, a loving mother, a wise mentor, and a strong in spiritual covering. Happy birthday to you, Mama. May God increase not only your years, but also the life and victory in your years.
Our dearest mom, Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, we count ourselves blessed and highly favored to have you as our mom and our mentor. When you took us under your covering, we began to experience the love and blessings of God. Our lives have improved because of your teachings and your prayers. You are a perfect example of wisdom, leadership, and foresight. Your love for us and for humanity in general is beyond description. Your selfless commitment to helping and saving those in need is a clear demonstration of God's love. You are a definition of love, Mom, to us. You fed us both physically and spiritually. Happy birthday to you, Mama.
Today we join the world in wishing a remarkable birthday to our mother, Mama Ruth Makandiwa, a woman who is an epitome of love, a phenomenal mother, a woman with a magnanimous heart, a woman who has touched nations in inexplicable ways. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
My name is Linia Chamba.
And my name is Venon Chamba. We are both from EFIC Zengeza 1 Zone. Mom, it's a privilege to be serving under your grace, and you are more precious than the most red diamond in the whole world. We are celebrating this your special day with you today, and it is our prayer that your God will continue taking you yonder. So I and my wife, together with EFIC Zengeza 1 Zone, we say,
Happy birthday, our mom, Dr. Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa.
My wife and I would like to thank God for this rare opportunity He has afforded us to wish you a happy birthday, Mama. You are such a great and huge blessing to us and to the entire world. We thank God for you, Mama. The contribution you have made in our life is so huge, is so great, and we really appreciate it. You are not just a mother because of bringing forth children, but your care and your love, your patience, your kindness, and your mercy, it reflects the personality of our Lord Jesus Christ. We are so happy because of what you have done and what you continue to do in our lives and many more people. You are a mother of the nations. You are a mother to the weak. You are a mother to the strong, a mother to the lowly, and a mother to the Great, a mother to the orphans, a mother of nations. So we are so privileged to wish you a happy birthday today, Mama. And we want you to know that your love has embraced us all. We are swimming in the pool of your love and your patience and your words of wisdom. We learn from you when you speak. We learn from you even when you are quiet. You are a message to the world, and the wise draw a lot from your immense wisdom. Thank you, Mama, especially for taking care of our father, the voice to the nations of the world. We are benefiting a lot from your teachings. In ministry, we are doing well because of your contribution. We love you, Mama, and we want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Ruth. It is such an honor to have a mother like you who sharpens her daughters, who teaches her daughters, who gives us divine wisdom. Today, I would like to say, may the good Lord sharpen you. May He increase you, and I pray for more grace upon your life. Happy birthday.